Hello traders. Today we will show that how we will recover the $12,000 loss with a very easy way by using the 2 hour trading systems which we have developed, the 500 coding with the 20 plus indicators we have applied into the directly MT4 chart by the MQL coding, and we will apply that same signals into the client trading terminals and we will see the results. The graph here you are seeing it is the volume band where the highest volume is traded, and it is taken the data from the 10 big liquidity providers. So the accuracy of that bands which you can see here, the support bands, this is the highest accurate bands. As we can see also from the chart itself that most of the buy signal is generated on near to that band, and the sell signal generated to our sell signals resistance level. So if you have these two systems, then I think so that you can never make a loss into the forex market if you follow strictly those pattern into that. And we will show you today live that how we applied those our multi indicator system and volume support and resistance systems. As we can see in the that most of the trades in the GBPUSD, US oil and Euro USD, and we will take the consideration today the USD CHF, US oil and GBPUSD. These three pairs we will take into the consideration because he traded only the 0.1 into the USD CHF. GBPUSD he traded around many buy and sells, and US oil he traded most of the buy side only. So we will guide that if client follow this the trend patterns of the signals and resistance and support level as per the volume analysis, then he could easily recover the losses and he could have make a very good gain of his capital rather than making the loss. But right now our major focus to recover his losses. So we can see the all the losses which he has made on. Yes. Yeah. So current US oil price is so this is Action's real account, the client, and we'll see the current US oil price is trading the $38. So we take the current price as $38 and how many position he has opened it. So his current loss is $11,000 as all the open position you can see in the live trading here, and these are the his US oil positions that he's making the loss over on that. You can see all of his US oil position as here, and we took this all the position here and we calculated that how much loss are currently going on into the buy side, the $2,000 loss into the only US oil, and another position is held by the client is GBPUSD. So we will analyze that also with the same pattern that we can see that he traded buy as well as he traded sell also. The buy side and sell side, the loss currently $9,000, and one position is the USD CHF where he only traded 0.1 lot size. So we will show you the live with the step by step into the chart, and we will analyze that how we can cover his total $11,000 loss. So it's we'll start with the US oil first, and we will open the chart of the US oil only, and we can see that what his trading pattern and how we can cover the losses on that part. As you can see, the US oil, he opened the position on a 9th September 4th September. So in the US oil chart, we can see that during that 4th September, we have given a sell call at around $40. But if you would have followed it, the trend from the 43 to 36, you can book the pretty much gain. But we will convert the chart into the H4 time frame, as we can generate a less signal on that, and we can see that in the trend chart, the precisely from 43 to 46, 36, and again from 36 to 38. So, and again it has generated a second signal, again the buy from the 36 level. So we will take only the two entries and we will apply as total loss. We can see here the $11,000, and apart from that $2,000 loss is only from the US oil. So in a buy side, we will take the one at the rate of here 36, and sell side, as per the signal, we will keep it at a 43. So one lot at buy, as he is having the $40,000 capital, so he can easily trade one lot or two lot, as his average lot was to 1 or 2.13, but he never did any sell, as per the following the strong support level. As we can see in the chart, these are the strong support zone where we can sell with more volumes. So as his buyer volume to match, we will trade approximately 2 lot at 43, and we will hold both the position. So we can see that his already loss is already recovered, and he is in the gain of the $9,000 by holding all the position. We have not closed any position. We can see that he is holding all the buy position, as well as we just created one sell position at 43 and one buy position at 36, as per our chart and patterns, and his loss is recovered directly, minus 2,000 to the plus $9,800. So that's a simple strategy. I think there is no any complex mechanism. You just get our any service, and we will provide this, the multi-trend indicators and the support and resistance, which are the taking the datas and algorithms from the volumes, and that volumes we have directly linked with the server, and that automatically that coding takes the data from those liquidity provider and update that support and resistance into the directly onto your MT4 charts. So you can see now we will go to the GBP USD and how it performs on that side, that if we have followed the systems and the GBP USD, open the charts for the 1 H4 time frame, and we can see that here having the buy as well as the sell position, where when he opened the position, as GBP USD mostly open in 11th, and recently within a 4 to 5 days back he opened all the position on the GBP USD. So as you can see in September, if he has started as per this, there is a very huge movement from the higher point. As we can see that the sell signal is generated from the precise this support zone area, the resistance zone area, and from 1.343 to directly 1.276, 1.343 sell, and again the buy position here you can see the created from our support area, plus the signal is also giving the buy, as these are the code of the 20 plus indicators, and it's after that analyzing of that 20 indicators it is generating the buy point, and again it is giving you the 101.276 to 1.290. So we will add those values on his trading pattern, where his current loss is $9,000. As we can see that his current loss is $9,000. So we will add around his 3 lot and 3 lot. So he's already buy 3 and sell 2.69. So we will gradually add only the 1 lot in the buy side from 1.276, and the current rate is 1.290. So we will update here the current GBP price 1.2900, and we will take the one sell position. We will hold all that sell position for 1.3430, and we can see that his loss is directly reduced from 9,800 to minus 2370, and his total profit is increased to the 7,300 from the loss of the $12,000. As we want to recover the more losses into the GBP USD, but these are the scenario as he is already holding his loss and profit, so we will not cover any position. But as per our pattern and strategy, we will keep the sell position open from this level and one buy position open on this level. We will keep holding both the levels, and once the break even reach, we'll book the profit in that pot. So as the marginalized, we can still take the little bit more sell position from this area. As we can see, the lot size is still not match. Here the 4.1 total lot and here 3.69. So we can still take the 0.5 or 0.4 position into the sell. So suppose rather than 1, we could have taken 1.4 lot, and we can see the loss is almost reduced, as almost the total both the lot is 4.1 and 4.1. So hopefully the loss is reduced and his total account into the profit of 9,400. Now we will go to the USD CHF, as he is already having the good amount of capital, $40,000, and we will see that what can be happen into the USD CHF, as he is holding with only the 0.1 lot currently, and his loss is $140. So we'll open the USD CHF chart, and we can see the current rate is 0.90839 is going on. So with that current rate, we apply here, it's almost that rate is the current price, and he took the position by at 0.92139, and we will see here the what he opened USD CHF position. Yes, he opened at 2 months back. He opened at August, 1st August, so almost 1.5 months before he opened the position. So we'll see that what happened if he had followed our pattern and signals, then he could easily recover the loss and he could have in a good profit. First, his 0.1 lot size to match, we'll take the sell position. As you can see, there are 2 resistance band, 1 and 2. So this is the part where the strong selling joint point is there, 0.92. So rather than buy, we might have taken a 1.1 lot at 0.9200. That would be our sell point. And again, from that, here it fall down, and these are the support band. So we take the buy position here. So the next buy position at 0.907 side near, or 0.9065. So we'll adjust the lot size, and here to match the total 1.1 lot. So we buy here again 1 lot at 0.9065, and that's all. Both the lot is now 1.1. So it is already perfectly hedged now with the same pairs, and the loss of minus $140 is covered with the 1,400 profit. Here we want to say that we are not adding any position, we are not reducing his loss, and we can see that his $11,000 loss now converted into the 11,000 profit. So this $11,000 loss, it's easily can be recovered if he had taken our these systems and he is following since the 1 month back only, he can easily recover his loss. And all the three positions are into the profit. And with a very easy system, as I have shown you, that from the chart only you need to follow the buy and sell pattern, nothing else. You can keep following this resistance band, you can keep following the buy and sell signal. If it is near to resistance level, you can trade with the more lots. As can see here, these are the two resistance bands and the two sell signal is already generated. You can easily take the entries from this point, and it's a very enough gains are there. So you can exit, or you can again take the buy position from that point and book your profit. Again you can take the sell position, and here again it is generated the buy signal. But if you don't want to take the more entries, you can keep holding your sell and buy, and you can do the perfect hedge. But you should have the proper analysis. You should have to take the proper calculation of your lot size. You should make the proper Excel sheet and derive your formulas and use these systems, and hopefully you can never make a loss on that forex market. As we have shown you the live, that how we have covered the loss. And suppose if you don't want to, if you suppose buy over this system today itself, and he can take the entries from this point, and he can add a buy level from these levels, again 0.906 level, he can add more buy points. As you can see, these are the fresh buy entry has generated. Currently the price is for trading at 0.90833, and once it reach to this level, he can add 0.5 lot, and again once it reach, he can add 1.0 lot sell side. So if he follow this pattern, his account will resume into the profit very soon, and it's very easily he can recover his losses. So once more time, we can see the all of his losses, and all the three position only we analyze. He has opened even XA USD, and again he just recently opened it. As we can see the date and time, today only he opened a few more position into GBP USD, GBP Euro, and all the positions are into the losses. Can see that here. These are the position open at 15 only today itself. And again the Euro XAUSD in 117 loss. Two position open in XAU, which is in the buy side and buy side onto Euro USD, which are $164 and $129 loss are going on. So we can analyze this current position as well. Just a moment, we'll open a XAUSD and Euro USD chart, and we will show you that what could be done to reduce this around more than $1,000 losses. As here around $1,000 loss are there. So we'll open XAUSD chart, and we'll see that he taken the buy position, but as per our indicator of the trend and support resistance band, the sell should be generated at 197 point, and he could have gained around 1950 70 to 1950 directly. See here, 1950 near to 1970 near, 20 points gain, and he traded 0.25. If he just traded a 0.5 lot, he could have gained $1,000 profit easily, rather than making the loss. And we will see now into the Euro USD chart, and we will convert into the H form time frame. And he took the buy entry, but where that is already the resistance. You can see here that he generated the 2 lot buy into the Euro USD. And keep it in mind that this is the XNS real account we are analyzing, the client, where the deposit is $40,000. He deposited the amount. So the loss are here around 100 to 200 plus, and he took the entry 1.187, which is almost our sell zone now. But he should take the entry at 1.176 if he wanted to enter on a buy side. As you can see that the buy zone are strongly here. First buy zone, second buy zone. So he can make the gain of 1.175 to 1.185, around 100 pips gain. Live, you can see from here to here, and this is our resistance level. He can sell, he can close the position with the 2 lot, 2.0 lot. You can imagine with the 100 pips how much gain. With the one lot it is $1,000. With the two lot you can get the $2,000 profit. Just holding from the 2 days to 3 days. So if he wanted to create a buy position, he should create from this level, but he created the wrong position at this point. As you can see this, he created here his buy position. So that is completely at the wrong point, 1.11638. So if he suppose created the sell position, he could have again gain of the 20 to 30 pips. And with the two lot, $600 he is in the profit already if he had created the sell position from this red. And is all the losses which is took the wrong position, he could have easily recovered the losses on today itself. He can make the gain of $1,000 to $2,000. And if you follow the few days back, again $4,000 profit in his pocket. So hope it helps to analyze the client account and how to recover the losses. It's, I think, so very easy if you follow our precise tools, and we will also guide you and teach you. If you have any position into the loss, we have the ready-made system in all the codings and everything. You need to just apply it, and we will give you the analysis that how you can recover your losses. Don't need to close any your position. Just give us the account and let's our technical and skilled traders apply the trading into your accounts. Or either you can take those tools and you can apply directly into your MT4 chart, and you can even ask about those details to our executives, and they are happy to help you. Enjoy the trading, and we request you to subscribe this channel, as we don't want to gather any favor or anything else, as the subscription adds for the traders help, as they can value our videos and they can analyze and they can cut their losses and convert their account into the profit. So you can subscribe, or you can even get the notification icon into your homepage once we will upload the videos. Wish you happy trading. As we can see that the broker have the data till the June only, till the March and maximum December, but we will consider the trading performance for the currently for the 1 year. As you can see, there are the very strong signal again generated from this point, and you can get the buy side profit even in the sell side. So both all the signals are generated precisely with the enough time for the entry and exit are available. As in, it's only the not good enough into the forex. Our indicators of 20-in-1 trend indicators are performing well in crypto as well as, and you can even apply into the US market as well. So here we can see the good gain in a sell side from 9,500 once the intense selling was available there, and till the 4,700, or you can say 4,500 near. So almost 5,000 gain we covered at plus point in a one entry. Plus here the 10,000 to again the buy signal was generated, 8,000 near, so around 1,000, 2,000 point, and again from the buy side we booked the 8,600 to 9,500 and then plus 1,000, and then it given a sell signal and booked the very huge profit. So if you consider the other buy and sell, there are the bigger point movement possible. See, these are the big point movements. Again you can make the profit, you can make the sell profit, buy profit, buy profit, buy profit, sell profit, buy profit, and maybe in that you get some loss, small loss, but you get again profit, maybe small loss, again you get a profit, again you get the profit. So almost, if you analyze in a bigger perspective, since the October 2009 and since October 2009 till the May, there are plenty of signals generated, but many signal has given a very tremendous profit. As you can see here, the entry point 7,500 near and 10,500 near profit, again 2,000 points plus gain. Here again you get 2,000 plus points. Here you are getting the 5,000, 2,000, 7,000, and these are small entry. If you compile it all, 200 points gain, then again you get around plus 1,000 point gain. With the small losses of, you can say 100 to 200 points loss, you can cover with a small range bound market. But most of the time it gives, once the BTC has the tendency to give the trending movement, either upside or either downside, and you can capture the big profit. As you can see here, 2,000, again 2,000, 1,000, and again 5,000, and again it has given from the buy side to around 2,000 points gain, and again sell side, and it is a big buy point movement we captured here again. The 2 times, as our band is here, as we already discussed from that, so we will focus on this part. So there are around 10 to 15 signal has generated from the 2009, and you can see that we have completely digested the big movements, and with a gain of 2,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, so around approximately 18,000 points. And if you traded with 10 BTC or either 5 BTC, if you traded with the 10 BTC, 180k profit. So from October to May, 7 months, around 7 to 8 months, your per month profit is, again I am saying it, more than $20,000. So this is the consistent profit. And as previously we have shown, in a 5 months you are getting the 100k profit with the $20,000. Same if you go with a longer period of time, if you follow this resistance and support band, and if you follow the 20-in-1 indicators, trend indicators, which give the very precise entry, and you follow the H4 time frame, as it is a standard time frame, and you get a $20,000 profit with your $10,000 capital. So approximately in a 1 year period of time, if you take all your profit, and with this profit you can buy 18 BTC, and from the previous you can buy the 10 BTC, so you can approximately within a 1 year period of time you can buy the 30 BTC, and that BTC you can even store it into your 10 or 12% return and keep it, grow it, and sell it at once the price reaches to 100k. So you get around 3 million profit with this holding of the 30 BTC only. Once the price reaches 100k, you sell it, either 1 or 2 years maximum it will take to reach to 100k, and you can book the 3 million, and you can gain a $3 million profit of your holding of 30 BTC, and keep trading with these signals with a $10,000 capital. And either you can reinvesting the profit and trading the more BTC, that's option. With that option you can even make the 3 million profit. Hope you enjoy, and these are the live crypto analysis of the Bitcoin. So we will take the chart for the Ether, and we will see that how it perform into the Ether as well. Because this Ether is the next most tradable currency after the Bitcoin, and we can see that it has recently captured a very good profit, as from our selling zone of 480 near. From that it precisely booked the 330 point gain. So in this 2 band area only it captured 150 point gain in Ethereum. And Ethereum, you should know that you can trade more with the, if you use the $10,000 capital, and 1 Ethereum costs around 500. So with the 1/1 leverage itself, with the 1/1 leverage I am talking about, you can buy the $20 Ethereum, as the price is suppose 500, and you just take it 1 gem 1 leverage, you can buy the 20 BTC, 20 Ethereum, sorry. And still with 20 Ethereum you can calculate the one gain is 20 into 150. So how much your profit with that? $3,000 you can gain. And if you use the 1/10 leverage, then your profit will be $30,000. With the 10,000 you can gain directly 30,000 or 300% ROI. Safely you can capture it. And again it has given a buy signal from 330, and currently you can book it again from this 318 here. So 50 point gain again you can capture it from this point. And again from the sell 380 to 350. So these are the 390, 380, 40 point again you can capture. These are all the gains we are showing you the live. And see this point, there are 2 entries generated from around 317 here, and the profit was around again 100 points from this 2 touch point. You can easily capture that. Here the profit is 70 point, or you can say 60 point or 70 point, and again here your profit will be 100 points. So with a very safe way you can trade in any crypto. You can, whatever the profit you are making it, you can withdraw and buy the Ethereum and store it, or either you can withdraw and you can enjoy the profit by reinvesting of the 50% profit into the trading and increase your capital from $10,000 to 20,000, 50,000, and keep on increasing your trading value. As it is a very low leverage, so the chances of the capital wipeout is very less if you follow this particular 20-in-1 trend indicator and support and resistance band. We'll see the chart from the back points. We'll make it so, and we can see there are more resistance and support bands are available. So there are many opportunities available, as we can see that once the price was trading on a 213, at that point of time it has given a 3 buy signals from the 230 point. It has given directly to the 450. So 250 to 450 you can easily grab the 200 points gain. And from the sell again you can sell it. You can see this is might be not in the profit, but this second line from this to the profit, it's bracket here. And again, as we already saw that these are the big point grabs. You can take it by only holding the 1 trades. So trade less and make more profit. Don't trade more and do the averaging and don't follow the SL. If it gives the sell signal, you exit your position, or you exit your half position and you hold, you trail your SL to the cost price. Never make profitable position into the loss call. We'll see the chart in a more deeper sides till the November 2019, and how many the position. So we'll close the trades. We'll close now this video, and hopefully you enjoy it, and you can subscribe, or you can ask our executive for the more details, and we are happy to help you that how to attach it in your MT4 chart and how to make the safe profit by trading by using that one. So don't follow any random trades, just use it and do the proper trade, and hope it will make you the very good earning consistently, and you can never miss any trades with that.